Hello, welcome to the Wellness and Recreation Center. I'm Leo Alvarez, the Assistant Director of Marketing and Membership. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an appointment to work out on wrc.fiu.edu. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you're logged in at the top right hand corner. Once you do, you go down to Facility Access. You find the campus you want to work out in, click the appointment, read through our policy, and you register for the day and time you would like to work out. Here's the facility appointment reminder. You add that to your cart and you check out. This is your confirmation, and that's all you need. Now, in case you don't know, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your appointment if you're not able to make it. First thing you'll have to do is go to your profile. You go to the left-hand side and you find your programs, and then on these three dots right here, you click cancel registration. And now your appointment has been canceled and someone else can take your spot to work out. And that's all it takes. Now you're ready to work out at the WRC. We look forward to seeing you on campus soon.